Okay, just a quick update on a number of pairs. I haven't had the time to make videos lately. I would try to do one this weekend if I have time, but for now, just to start with the pairs that I am dealing with, US Canadian dollar continues to trend down. I'm looking at it as entering a third wave now. I think that it looks bearish, and though it's been choppy from the high, I'm looking at it as such. One wave down here. I'm viewing this as wave two, then one of three, two of three, and hopefully three of three now. So I'm looking at this as bearish from the 4-hour shooting star, and let's see a continued sell-off here for the bearish idea. Now, Euro Canadian dollar, this idea hasn't changed. I was looking at a 5-wave move here for C. It may be in or it may be close because this is now 5 waves up. So let's see how this unfolds here, and if it can reverse or maybe put in an ending pattern of some kind, but it looks like it's about to top out. Preferably a move above the A level here, but it's not necessary. It could end up like Euro Australian dollar a number of months ago. So that is looking like it's close to peaking out. Aussie New Zealand, I like the idea that a low is in here and we need to see it power through now. I'm again, same idea as before. This, quite simply, is a correction of this in my opinion. So I'm looking for a low in here at this level now. And if that does fail, let's see if it chops down a bit further, but for now I like the idea of moving higher. Oh, Bitcoin looks like it has higher to go still. Just a moment, I haven't been looking at this. I would think that the next high should see a turn lower. Now that'll probably be above 2,000, but I don't want to guess numbers because this looks essentially like 5 waves here. So let's see if we can find a high above 1900, and there's a bunch of divergence now, so I'm looking for this to reverse quite soon on the next high, most likely. And going back to the dollar, it looks like it's breaking down here. Let's see if there's a bounce and a turn. I'm not bearish on this anymore. I'm going to clear this out. So let's see if we can find a correction here and maybe get into the next move. No change on Aussie US dollar yet. I'm looking for a bit lower towards 0.71 or so. And New Zealand US dollar is still looking a bit lower from here as well. It's been the other two main US dollar pairs that have taken on a slightly different look. And that is it. My interest remains the same, mostly Canadian dollar pairs and Aussie New Zealand. Oh, one I forgot to check, Euro New Zealand. Well, if wave 2 is in here, 2 of 3, then we should not see this low again here. I do like the idea that we're going to see a further correction. This is looking essentially like 3 waves up here. So I like the idea overall that it's something like 3 down, 3 up, and maybe a move back to here and higher. Still looking for a bit of a bigger correction in this. The trend's been working very well, obviously, but up here with yesterday's shooting star, I would like to see a move lower now. So let's see if that emerges. All right, bye-bye.